we are very happy to introduce our Ascend training program to you. We do hope that you will be very interesting to our program. Please attend our lecture as following. Bulk carrier ship cargo hold cleaning is very important procedure to prepare for loading the new cargo. Well, as a bosun, I'm in charge of that whole process. And today, I'm presenting you through the 4 essential phases of cargo hold cleaning. First up, and most importantly, is safety and preparation. Before Anjoni even thinks about entering, Intote old the chief officer issues an enclosed space entry permit, and we conduct a detailed risk assessment. We have a toolbox meeting to discuss all the potential dangers. The hold's atmosphere is tested for oxygen levels and any toxic gases, and we keep that air quality monitored continuously with powerful ventilation fans. We rig our access ladders and stages, inspect all our safety harnesses, and set up the high-pressure cleaning pumps on deck. Once it's safe to enter, we begin phase 2, the rough cleaning, or what we call making out. The goal here is simple. Get rid of all the visible cargo leftovers. If we have them, we'll use bulldozers or bobcats to push the residue into the bags or drums. Then, using the ship's crane, we lift them all out in large bags. After the heavy stuff is gone, the crew gets in with brooms, brushes, and scrapers to sweep every surface from the tank top to the ladder rungs. Finally, we might use compressed air to blow dust out of all those hard-to-reach corners, under the hatch combings, and ship hull frames. Next comes phase 3, washing and chemical treatment. This is where we make the old surface of the cargo holds clean. We start with a top-to-bottom, high-pressure wash with fresh water to get rid of any remaining dust. Importantly, we make sure the bilge system is pumped, all the wash water into a holding tank, never directly overboard. If there are hard stains from the last cargo, like coal, we'll apply a specialized, approved cleaning chemical. The crew handling these chemicals wears full protective gear, of course. After letting the chemical do its work, we do a final thorough rinse with fresh water. This is non-negotiable, especially when we're preparing the hold for food-grade cargo. The final phase is inspection and drying. We use massive fans to circulate air and dry the hold as quickly as possible to prevent any rust and corrosion from forming. Then, with the chief officer, I'll do a pre-inspection. We use bright lamps to check every single frames, beams, and bracket for any missed spots. Once the main hold is clean, we tackle the bilges, making sure they are spotless and dry. We require the engine staff to complete pumping out the water from the cargo hold bilge wells. Then we clean and dry all the bilge wells. Finally, we prepare the hold for the official surveyor's inspection. If they find anything, we go back and clean it again until it passes. It's a huge team effort, but seeing those perfectly clean holds ready for the next voyage is always a happy moment. Now, our lecture is in the end. Thank you very much for your interest in our program, and see you on the next video.